Adidas Climacool Laced Glory Gray, releasing August 15, 2025 for $160, blends futuristic design with practical performance. Its standout feature is a 3D printed single-piece lattice midsole, crafted via digital light synthesis, providing comfort, durability, and breathability. The updated lace-up system replaces slip-on designs for a better fit and utility, while the ventilated lattice ensures cooling and easy maintenance. Building on the off-white debut, this version emphasizes everyday versatility without sacrificing style. By integrating advanced 3D printing, Adidas demonstrates innovation in engineering, lifestyle design, and performance, highlighting precision craftsmanship and forward-thinking aesthetics. The Glory Gray serves as a 2025 landmark release, showing how cutting-edge technology can enhance modern wearability. It merges function and visual appeal seamlessly, defining the next generation of sneakers while remaining practical for daily use.